Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is... it's Wednesday. It's my day off. I didn't take off early and go for a ride because we've been getting a lot of rain. It cleared up in the afternoons a couple times, and I rode this once, and then I rode the Goldwing once, but I didn't do any video. So I thought I'd do a video today. Had to stop, and I had shorts and a t-shirt on, and got a little chilly, so I had to pull over and put these really light pants on and a little jacket, and made it a lot better. Not supposed to rain again until around 4 o'clock. It's a little neighborhood by my house. Kind of a nice area with it's an older area, but they have acreage, which is kind of nice. For sale. Haven't been up to my house lately. We've had so much rain in Texas. The neighbor that kind of texts my wife every now and then sent her a photo of all the mud running down the street from where our driveway is going to be. The whole street's muddy because it's washing out. So, and I know they haven't been able to do anything because of the rain, so they need to, everything they need to do is inside, so they need to put some gravel in that driveway so that people can get in and out and get the work done. Because this is oh wow, I didn't realize I was at a dead end. Because it's been weeks since they've done anything because of all the rain we're getting. So I'm hoping they do something. I haven't been up today. I would usually go up today, but the weather's bad and we've been getting such heavy rain, so I don't go anywhere unless it's not gonna rain. I think I go this way. I think I just forgot to turn. Yeah, Ridgemar. Pretty nice homes out here. Got some good acreage too. They even have horses. But it's a pretty nice day. It looks like it's kind of clear that way, but these things could come in at any time. Oh, I ordered this is the remote that works with the 5, 6, 7, 8 Heroes, but they have only one remote that works with the Hero 9, and I'm not giving GoPro $80 for it, so I found a generic one on Amazon. It was $49 versus $79, so I saved a few bucks. We're still doing a lot to our house now. We got like 3 or 4 bids to paint the entire house. So before we get a new roof, because of the hail destroyed our roof. So we get a new roof from our insurance company, but we're going to paint the entire house again. The front looks really nice. The back and the sides can be a little bit faded, so it needs to be done. So we're going to paint the entire house, put the new roof on. We're going to fix my office. My office was the last holdout that still had the popcorn ceiling, so we had that done. That's all complete. I just got the ceiling fan back, the new ceiling fan up, and all the other speakers and stuff up in there, the vents. So now we just got to paint a little bit, and then that's the only room that still has carpeting. So we'll rip that out, and we'll have to put all new wood flooring in my office now to match the rest of the house. So painting, new roof, got all the drywall fixed that we had a couple issues with. So got to clear out the garage, and I had some popcorn up there we need to take down. I guess I got to move everything out of that garage and just kind of, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But we'll probably do that after we move and have it all done. So hopefully the market will hold out and we'll still be able to get some really good money for our house in August or probably August. Bah.